Hey, guess what, man? This is Bob from Kohala. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shout out to Man in
All
the
right.
Pan. Come on.
All right. Love you, KTA.
Welcome to the Man in the Pan. I'm going to do something really exciting for you. I'm going to make takenoko rice. I got some fresh takenoko. My friend Alvin Tanaka gave it to me. So what I did is got 2 cups of regular rice. And I got 2 cups of sweet rice. You know those mochi rice? And I washed it and I put 4.5 cups of water. Then in here I put a tablespoon of salt and I put 2 tablespoons of sake. Okay? And you know the dashi kobo? Get about a 6-inch slice. I just leave it right in here. Okay? And I'm gonna let this soak for half an hour. Okay? After half an hour, turn on the rice cooker. Rice is cooking. I'm gonna prep all my stuff. I got 2 aburage, Oshiro tofu aburage. And what I do with this aburage is I slice it in half like this and I julienne slice it, okay? Just like a 2 in a packet, so I use the two aburage. Okay, just like this, see it? Okay? Now what I do with this, okay? I pour in some real super hot water. I had it microwave. You kind of leave it in there. You let it soak for at least 20 minutes. Grab my takenoko, julienne slice it. You can use canned takenoko, but it's not going to be the same. And you can even use, like one time I think I made it with shiitake, but you cannot beat this fresh takenoko. Okay, so I set this on the side. So you grab about 3/4 to a cup of chicken thighs and julienne slice it. So, you know, and gotta be boneless chicken thighs. Set that all on the side. I'm gonna make the sauce. Okay, so I got half cup of dashi, and I made it with this kind of hon dashi. And inside over here, I put about 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, and I put 2 tablespoons of sake. Then I put 3 tablespoons of shoyu. Just about there. Okay? This is basically the sauce. So I put it in a pan. When the shoyu is hot, then I add in my diced chicken. Very important to add the chicken in first so the chicken is cooked. Okay, as the chicken cooks, I add in my takenoko. Make sure you drain the takenoko and everything really well. Okay? Add in my aburage. And you mix it up. And I'll just cover it a little. You can use aluminum foil or whatever you want. Place it on medium-low heat and every so often lift the cover and mix it up. Okay, the rice is over. So you remove the dashi kobo and stir up the rice. You grab this, right? All the things that you made, and you dump them inside the rice. Mix it up, close the pot, and let it sit there for about 15 minutes. And now here you go, takenoko rice. Okay? Oh, Pagalu, some really ono. Okay, the burger look good, but let's see how it tastes. It's so good. Sweet rice, then with the mellow rice, regular rice, takenoko. Wow. Oh, it's so ono. Until next time, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.